another Tuesday tips and tricks. Now, if you joined us last week, we showed you how to use our single easy wick setter tool, which is this guy right here. And this time we are going to show you how to use the multi easy wick setter tool. As you can see, the bottom of this base has multiple spots for a different number of wicks, and you can space them out however you need them to fit your jar. So first I'm going to show you how we put this thing together, and I am going to use my container here just to help me stabilize everything. So first I'm going to put that little base down inside of my jar, and I need to figure out kind of where I want to put my wicks. So I'm just going to space them out evenly on the base here so that we can make sure that the wicks are spaced out evenly in my jar. So now I'm just putting the little tubes where I need them on the base, and as you can see now they are perfectly spaced out. And we're going to put that down inside of the little jar, and then next we're going to take our metal springs and we're going to put those over each of these little tubes as well. Just make sure that you can see that there's that little spring. And then next we're going to take the little pieces of PVC tubing. We're going to put those over the springs. I want to make sure that these are not sitting on top of the springs. The spring needs to fit down inside that little piece of tubing. And then we're going to take these little, I don't know what you call them, little nuts, bolts, just the little pieces here that are going to tighten onto the little tubing and make it have the little spring action. We're going to slip those on first. We're not going to tighten anything just yet. Put those on just like that. And then we're going to take the little plunger handles. This is just to protect your hand. And we're going to push those on to the ends of the tubes. Just like that. All right. Now what we're going to do so that we can make sure that the little plungers have some spring to them, we've got these little bolts just like we did on the Easy Wick Setter tool. We're going to push those down and then you're going to tighten it. You don't have to tighten it too much, but now you can see that little plunger has some spring to it. So we're going to do that to the other two. Just push it down and tighten it, and then push it down and tighten it. So now you can see that all three of these little plungers are ready to go. Now we're just going to put my 3 wicks, which I already have a wick sticker adhered to the bottom. We're going to put those down inside each of these tubes here. Just like that. Again, these little black pieces on the inner magnets, so they should hold your wick in place for you. So now all 3 of my wicks are in there with the little wick stickers. We're just going to put this wick setter tool down inside the jar, let the little tubes go. We're going to hold down for a couple of seconds to make sure that our wick gets really nice and adhered. You want to make sure you're pushing down evenly on all 3 plungers. And then all we need to do is just pull up, and as you can see, our wicks are perfectly centered in the jar and ready to go. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Come back next week and we'll show you more.